What's up, everybody? Welcome to A-List Mindset. Today we're talking about everyone's favorite thing, money. Specifically, how to make it on YouTube in 2025. We're going for those big bucks, those stacks of cash that'll make your head spin. So buckle up, grab your notebooks, and get ready for the ride, because I'm about to drop some serious knowledge bombs on how to turn your YouTube channel into a money-making machine. All right, let's talk strategy. First things first, you gotta figure out your niche. Think of it like this. YouTube is a giant pizza, right? You can't just take a bite out of the whole thing, you gotta pick your favorite slice. Maybe you're all about that gaming life, or maybe you're a makeup guru extraordinaire. Whatever your jam is, find that niche and own it. But remember, we're talking 2025 here, people. You gotta be innovative, you gotta be fresh. So think outside the box. What's the next big thing? What are people going to be obsessed with? Find that, and you've found your golden ticket. Now, once you've got your niche, you've got to do your research. See who else is out there, what they're doing, what they're not doing. Find the gaps in the market, the underserved audiences, and then swoop in with your awesome content. Be bold, be different, be you. That's how you're gonna kill it in the niche game. Okay, so you've got your niche, you're ready to roll, but hold your horses. Before you hit that record button, we gotta talk quality. And I'm not just talking about crystal clear audio and 4K resolution, although those are important too. I'm talking about creating content that is so good, so engaging, so freaking entertaining that people would rather watch it than eat a giant plate of nachos. Think about the videos you watch over and over again. What makes them so special? Is it the editing, the storytelling, the personality? Figure out what makes those videos pop and try to incorporate those elements into your own content. But here's the thing, you don't need $1 million studio and a crew of 50 to create high-quality videos. Start with what you have. Use your phone, use natural light, get creative. Some of the best videos out there are shot on a shoestring budget. It's all about the content, baby. And speaking of content, make sure you're delivering value to your viewers. Are you teaching them something new? Are you making them laugh? Are you inspiring them? If you're not providing value, people are gonna bounce faster than a kangaroo on a trampoline. And most importantly, have fun. If you're not enjoying the process, it's gonna show in your videos. So let loose, be yourself, and don't be afraid to get a little weird. Chapter 3, SEO Optimization, Mastering the YouTube Algorithm. Alright, you've got the niche, you've got the content, but now you gotta make sure people actually see it. That's where SEO comes in, baby. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. And it's basically the art of making your videos visible to the YouTube gods, aka the algorithm. Think of it like this. YouTube is a massive library, and your videos are the books. SEO is like putting a giant neon sign on your book that screams, "Hey, read me, I'm awesome." So how do you SEO the heck out of your videos? It all starts with keywords. Keywords are the words and phrases people type into YouTube when they're looking for videos like yours. You gotta think like your viewers. What are they searching for? Once you know your keywords, you gotta sprinkle them throughout your video title, description, tags, even in the video itself. But don't go overboard. Keyword stuffing is a big no-no. You want your keywords to flow naturally, not sound like a robot wrote them. And here's a pro tip. Use a mix of broad and long-tail keywords. Broad keywords are general terms related to your niche, while long-tail keywords are more specific phrases people search for. Next up, you gotta optimize your thumbnails. Think of your thumbnail as the cover of your book. It's the first thing people see, so you gotta make it count. Use bright colors, bold fonts, and intriguing images that accurately represent your video. Finally, promote your videos like crazy. Share them on social media, embed them on your website, collaborate with other creators. The more exposure your videos get, the higher they'll climb the search results. Chapter 4. Monetization Options, Turning Views into Cash. Now for the moment you've all been waiting for, making that sweet, sweet cash. Once you've got a decent following and your videos are racking up views, it's time to monetize that baby. The most common way to make money on YouTube is through ads. You know those little commercials that play before, during, or after a video? Yeah, those bad boys can bring in some serious dough, but here's the catch. You need to be part of the YouTube Partner Program, YPP, to run ads on your videos. To join the YPP, you need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the past 12 months. Once you're in, you can start earning money based on the number of views and clicks your ads get. But ads aren't the only game in town. You can also make money through channel memberships where your biggest fans pay a monthly fee for exclusive perks like badges, emojis, and members-only content. And then there's merch. Everyone loves a good merch drop, right? If you've got a strong brand and a loyal following, selling merch like t-shirts, hoodies, and mugs can be a great way to monetize your channel and give your fans a tangible way to support you. The key to successful monetization is to diversify your income streams. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Explore different options and see what works best for you and your audience. Chapter 5. Community building. Building an army of loyal fans. Alright, listen up. This next chapter is crucial. You see, YouTube isn't just about views and subscribers, it's about building a community, a tribe of loyal fans who love your content and are invested in your journey. And let me tell you, there's no better feeling in the world than knowing you've created a space where people feel connected, entertained, and inspired. So how do you build this legendary community? It starts with engagement, baby. Respond to comments, answer questions, run polls, host live streams. Make your viewers feel heard, appreciated, and like they're a part of something special. And don't just keep the conversation confined to YouTube. Take it to other platforms. Create social media accounts for your channel and interact with your fans on Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, the whole 9 yards. Share behind-the-scenes content, tease upcoming videos, and just be your awesome self. Collaborating with other creators is another great way to grow your community. Team up with creators in your niche and create epic videos together. You'll expose your channel to a whole new audience and make some awesome friends along the way. Building a thriving community takes time and effort, but trust me, it's worth it. When you have a loyal army of fans by your side, anything is possible. And there you have it, folks, my top secret foolproof, almost guide to making money on YouTube in 2025. Remember, success on YouTube doesn't happen overnight. It takes hard work, dedication, and a whole lot of hustle. But if you're passionate about what you do, and you're willing to put in the effort, there's no limit to what you can achieve. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content on how to succeed in entrepreneurship and finance. See you in the next video.